No, I'm good.
This is more.
No.
This is a perfect one.
It's a little burnt on the end.
Okay, well I guess I'll have this one and then I'm done.
Look at that.
I'm so done. I'm so full.
Now that is class, Gavin. Clean your underwear. Just with this stop. No more marshmallows.
Let me see that medal, Gav.
No more.
Can I see that medal? Come closer. Wow, that is awesome.
No, I didn't. What are you talking about?
Good job,
Hey,
buddy.
Brian put it on the thing.
What do you think, Ella? Were the s'mores good? You can't still be hungry after those s'mores. Oh.
Oh, let's show Daddy your beautiful hair and your beautiful thing.
Okay, all done. Go play. You have 2 more minutes, and then you're going into have a
Hi.
nap and go to bed. Oh, you're chocolating all over the cushions. No one's sitting.
Honey, come here. Let's clean your face.
What are you doing?